Welcome back to M Hood Fishing. We're just a few minutes before sunrise here. I'm on the river, the Mississippi River. I'm trying to make a transition this morning from flounder fishing to catfish fishing. I don't know, the flounder may still be here, they may be gone, but there's certainly a lot of huge cats rolling on the surface this morning. So I've got, whoa, I just got a slack line. I've got one rod out on a bite indicator for, let's get this out of the way, for cats, and I'm throwing a jig for flounder. Today's November 3rd. Nothing there. We'll have to check that for bait later. So my last few sessions out here for flounder were very slow to non-productive over the last few days. Just nothing to really talk about, but just poor fishing. It was during the new moon. That may have had something to do with it. Extremely low tides. Just not a lot of fish activity, but there's a lot of activity this morning. There's almost no wind. It's like 1-2 miles per hour, and it's not too cold, not too hot. This is like a record warm fall for us. So catfishing is not out of the question this morning. It's probably going to be good for a while till it gets really cold down here, which, who knows, we may never get really cold. Our river will, though. Alright, I've made a decision. I've brought 2 poles for cats, and I haven't got a bite on the jig yet, but I keep seeing big cats roll. I'm using mullet as cut bait, but I just caught a live finger mullet, so I'm going to put this finger mullet on here live and tie up the other pole with cut bait. Let's just see what happens here. I'm going to hook him back here, see if maybe we could pick up a nice flathead catfish out of here. Maybe. I'm going to throw this where I've been seeing big cats rolling on the surface, which is about right there. Nice. This is off a cut bait. Ooh. Here he comes. Whoa. Whoa, yeah, look at the size of him. Nice, nice. It's a decent one. Look at that. I didn't bring a landing net this morning because I'm in the sand. Probably could have brought it. Chose to be stubborn. Use my hand. That's a nice looking cat. Live bait hadn't had any action this morning. Come on, take the bite. All right. Nice. Looks beautiful in this morning sunshine. Yeah, you're right. Let's get him on a stringer. We're going to take this one home. There we go. Nice. Whoa, is he still there? I don't know if he's still there. He was pulling pretty good, and I struck really hard. It could have been a gar, or it's just like super lightweight coming in here. Yep, he's not there. Dang it, that was a nice pull. Let's try to put some more bait on that. Maybe that'll get him going. So I've been putting on big pieces of bait. I wasn't planning on being here forever, and I don't have a lot of bait, but I find that putting on a big bait can get me a big fish. So I'll probably put this on, this whole side I have left, and basically take this piece off. Man, I keep seeing big cats out there. And there we go. That should get me a big fish. That's a lot of flavor there, a lot of blood. And we'll just put that to the side. Nope. This has cut bait on it now too. There's a fish here. I was out there trying to catch bait. There we go. He's a nice one too. Whoa! Come on, get out from under there. Shit. Whoa! Well, I got him free of that line. Let's step over here. Whoa, yeah. This is a cat, right? You sure? Oh, no. This is something else, isn't it? This is a nice big gar. This is supposed to be the beginning of my fall catfish series, but I'm also doing a fall gar series, so I guess this is the beginning of both. But we weren't prepared to bring home gar this morning, so this might be catch and release on this alligator gar. He's a nice alligator gar. Look at him. Nice for harvesting. He's not too big, not too small, but shit. I don't have anything to deal with him. I don't have a gaff or a net, but I do have 80-pound braid, and he is nowhere near being 80 pounds, so god dang. I've caught gar here right off the bottom in the morning before. Mostly in the morning is when this has happened to me. Look at those teeth. Alright, pull out the pliers and take that hook out, and I'm just going to let him go. He's not real big. No reason to try and pick him up and show him off, is there? Is there like... I'm getting mamby-pamby. I don't want to get hurt here. There we go. Okay. Bitch. Go home, buddy, go home. That's how you get hurt, when they start jumping like that and you're in close quarters and you don't have anywhere to go. Like when you're on a boat. I literally just let that car go. And now this is going on. I was about to rebait and throw back out on the big pole. That's a 12-foot ugly cat, and this is like a 10-foot alpha by Shakespeare's with a contender reel, which is a Shakespeare reel. This has 80-pound braid and 65-pound braid on it, whereas the other one is all 80, not 85, 80. 80 and 65 on this, 80 on that one. This feels like a cat. And it is. And it's a nice one. Look at that. Look at that. About the size, he's a little bigger than the one we caught earlier. Nice. They're coming out of here nice this morning. Nice. He's just a little bigger than the first one. Let's put him on the stringer. So smooth casting this big rod. Easy peasy. The reel is by Penn. It's a Penn Pursuit. It's for catfish and other big fish. Alright, let's get some questions answered here. I'm sure you have questions. So this was supposed to be a 7-part series on fall catfish that I want to do. And this is the first video, so there should be 6 more videos coming if everything works out for me. And it's mostly about subsistence, as a lot of things are on the M Hood Fishing channel. I do practice catch and release, but since it's a record warm fall, I've decided to dedicate some time to catfish because it is a staple in my freezer, as it is for a lot of subsistence fishermen in the South. And I will be trying to do a gar series at the same time, though today is just one video. It's a catfish video with a gar bonus. Now, I don't plan on fishing the river throughout the whole series, but it'll be mostly the river. I will take the series to some other places, and you know, I may do some catch and release at some of those places. I may keep at some of them, but it's just mostly a push to put catfish in the freezer. I'd love a third one, man. I've been getting a lot of requests for cooking and cleaning videos from a lot of you, and I'm into it. I think that's a great idea, and I plan on doing it, but I have to replace the Sony cam that I destroyed a few months back, and I'm not quite ready to do it. Not tomorrow, but possibly by the end of this month I will have a new Sony Handycam or something to the equivalent, and I will start showing you my traditional recipes and my curry knockups and how I easily take my fillets off big boys like that, or girls. Come on, I want a third one, man. Here's my third fish. I was trying to teach this guy how to throw the cast net because he wants to fish and he has no bait. So it's right at 10 o'clock and I'm leaving. This is my last fish. This feels like a good one too. I don't think he realizes that I have a fish on. This thing has got some weight to it. It's a shame I don't have a scale with me today, because if this is a really big cat, I would love to weigh it, but we'll just see what it is. Oh, it's not far away, but it... Whoa! Whoa! What a last fish indeed, man. Look at this fish. Yeah. Oh, look at the size. It's a flathead and it's huge. Look at that. That's the biggest flathead I've caught in this spot before. Look at that.
I can't catch bait.
No? Oh my goodness, that is a nice flathead. I'm using 50-pound mono for my leader, and it's a 3-way rig that I'm using. Nice. That is a big flathead. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my God.
Wow. Do you want me to take a picture for you?
Nope, I got it. That is big. Whew. He's got to be like 30 pounds.
That's fucking awesome.
Huge. Huge fish. Oh, but there's bigger out there. My goodness. Whew. Oh man. I don't know. I think I'm gonna let this sucker go. I think he's a little too big to bring home. No. Sorry.
No, I'm just saying, like, I'll cook it. If you want it, man, I'll help you get it back over there.
No, it's fine.
Okay. I didn't know if you were like, oh, dude, something with it.
No.
No, I'm serious, like, if you were gonna just let it go, like, literally, to tell you the truth, dude, like, I just lost my apartment. I moved here with a girl, shit went haywire. I moved down here, my brother said to come down here, I'd work for me. He turned out to be on heroin.
Uh-huh.
And literally, I'm just putting the pieces together. I'm just like, I've never been in this position before. Right now, it's just get up every day and try.
Yeah, he's a bit big to harvest. Do you understand why?
No.
I mean, I could harvest him, but he's an older fish, so his meat is tough.
Right.
Whereas those are more at a harvestable size, you know, more of a eater size. I could harvest him. He's not gargantuan, but he is a bigger fish. You'd want him a good eater size is a lot smaller than that. He's like 3 times. Really, he's about 3 times an eater size, I'd say.
That's the biggest catfish I've ever seen, man.
Uh-huh. Well, I wouldn't give him to anybody because, you know, the reason why I would let him go is because I think he's too big to harvest. So why would I give him to anyone to slaughter when the reason I was going to let him go because I think he's not worth slaughtering. I think he's way too big. He's only been out a few minutes. And that homeless dude just took off. Come on, buddy, go get bigger. There you go. See you next time.